Why is comparison to true/false using the as operator bad? Pip 8 states that checks for none should be performed using as none. The same holds true for singletons in general. But Pip 8 also states that equality to true and false should not be performed using an operator, as being even worse than equals equals. I understand that the first one is the prettiest and most Pythonic way, but sometimes I find myself in a situation where I want to explicitly show that I am comparing against true or false. How is this worse than equals equals in that situation?
The equality operator equals equals can be implemented by classes, as well as all other comparison operators, but as cannot. A class could be defined so that some of its instances are equal to true, but they will still always fail the as true comparison. Consider a bool-like class, for example. This class can make sure that for an instance a equals mybool true, all of if a column, bool a, and it equals true will behave properly. However, a is true will return false.
Is worse in this context, because requires exact object. First suggestion allows maximal duck typing, second allows some typical truthy values, last one disallows you for any duck typing. Only true singleton will pass a comparison. This comparison is successful. This comparison is unsuccessful.